Welcome! In front of me I have OPPO Reno5 and today I will show you the fingerprint sensor test. We are going to check how it works. The fingerprint sensor in this smartphone you can find in the display, so just take a look. When I lock the smartphone, here we got the sensor, so when I put the finger on it, we can easily unlock. So right now we are going to make a few tries. I'm going to hold the smartphone like that. It will be much easier to reach the sensor for me. So let's make maybe 10 tries and let's see how it's going to work. And by the way, I put on the display the tempered glass, so it will be also the good test. Okay, right now the face unlock will also work, but let's take it like that. Okay, right now we can say that it unlocks smartphone really fast, and there's very smooth animation. Oh, I can even say this is one of the fastest sensors that I ever use. I think the same speed you got on the OnePlus 9 Pro. And it recognizes my fingerprint every time. And even when we put on the display tempered glass, it performs really good. So definitely I can recommend you this kind of the protection on this smartphone. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.